Good morning from Bergendal, Sollentuna, on this foggy morning here in the resort area of Bergendal, where I am now on a conference for young managers. It is 6:30 in the morning and I am starting the day in the best possible way with a swim on this private beach here. That's part of the hotel and resort. So the hotel is located just 150 meters away from this beach. That's actually grass, uh, and it has this jetty as well. Here we have also a sign that says the fish in Edsviken. That it says that it contains a lot of quicksilver, which is quicksilver also in English, and it's basically meaning that the fish from here should not be consumed by pregnant women more than 2 to 3 times per year. So, but that doesn't have any effect on the swimming capabilities because it is only the fish basically. And here we have to take a bag to clean up, but there's no bags currently, for some nature cleaning, some to clean the trash from the nature if there is some, but I don't see right now anything. Everything looks very clean. So it is 7th of September 2024, 6:30 p.m. and beach day number 141 on my Sweden beach adventure. And this is, I believe, the first time this year that I'm taking a swim in a foggy environment, as I have been not taking a lot of swims early in the morning, but I will start from now on maybe more because it's more quiet, more peaceful. You can start off the day in the best possible way. This is Edsviken that connects eventually with the Baltic Sea. So it is actually part of the sea, and just look at the reflection that the fog gives to the water, and it looks quite interesting. So basically I just got up, I slept not so much actually, like 5 hours, but then I woke up and I couldn't sleep in again, so I just said let's just go and start off the day. And then the breakfast starts anyway at 7 in half an hour, so I will be heading directly to breakfast after this swim. Actually, I can go also to the pool that was 30 degrees in the relax and spa area here that I also visited yesterday. I already took a swim yesterday. You have seen this video already on the channel, but it's in the rocky area in the forest, a few hundred meters away from here. It was more scenic there, I cannot lie, because here it is just a jetty and not so spectacular, but it's closer to the hotel Bergendal. And here we can see also the name of it on this live buoy. And yes, then let's not wait any longer and enjoy with a morning swim on this Saturday, 7th of September. We have 15 degrees Celsius in the air right now, and in the water it is 19 degrees Celsius. There is basically no wind, so it's not cold at all, I would say. There is some web net from a spider here, I believe so. Can you see it? Maybe not so much visible from the water, but yes, there is some spider web here that goes around. It's very interesting. Spiders on the sea. Right. Okay, let's then get going because I will then need to go to breakfast also soon. Whoop. Amazing. All right. Foggy beach adventure from Edsviken in Sollentuna at Bergendal. Let's then go and enjoy this morning swim. Can I stand here? No, it's actually I could have a jump actually. It is deep over here, and look at the fog all around me. So yesterday I could have seen to the other side of Sollentuna, but now no, I don't see anything. So you can see probably up to 100 meters it seems, and yeah. But this actually doesn't mean that it's going to be a cold day, because later today it's going to be 25 degrees Celsius. And after we are done here with the conference, I will be heading to the city and then maybe explore some other beach as well today in the sun, because the hot weather will stay until Monday it seems, and after that it's going to be cloudy slash rainy season apparently. But let's see. This week has been so hot and warm. Yesterday it was like 25 degrees, the same today and tomorrow. So yes, September in its full swing, and this is my view, how I look right now. What I look at right now. Very nice reflection, and there's the jetty. It feels like I'm in Gotham City. If Gotham City had a beautiful sea lake like this, you know, Batman. It's always foggy at Gotham City when they show it. Cool, then it was actually very demure and mindful of me to come here on this morning and start the day with a swim while on a conference here at Bergendal, Sollentuna, Stockholm. So yes, I'm gonna be heading out now, preparing for maybe hang a bit in the spa before I go to breakfast, and then start off the conference at 9. So greetings from Bergendal in Sollentuna. Thanks so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.